Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I made this little chatbot in like 2 minutes. So, this is just a demo chatbot that I have. Let's send a message, and yeah, it sends a message back. So, this is Google Gemini 2.0 model, and it's fast, and it's just a little chatbot that I have for showcasing here. And I made this in like 2 minutes, and I just want to show you how I made this. So let's start with the backend. So this is the code for it, and I have an API endpoint called /chat. Inside the API endpoint, it uses AI SDK, which is Vercels SDK, and it uses Google Vercels SDK, and it uses the stream text from AI, which is again a Vercel package, and this just gets the request, and it's stream text from the model that we've chosen, which is the Gemini 2.0 Flashlight Preview. This is the fastest model that there was, so I just used that. And it just so once it gets the results from stream text, it just streams it as a response. So this is the whole backend endpoint that we have. So this is the whole backend endpoint that we have, and for the front end, we can go to this chat form.tsx. So this is the whole chat form from the messages list here, and the submission form here, which uses an auto size text area, and the send button over here, which has a submit tooltip. So once we have it shows submit, and this is the text area that we have here, and it just sends a message from this. And once you send the message, it goes to the handle submit, which gets the API/chat, which hits the API/chat endpoint. So this is just a small wrapper to use chat from React, and it hits that API on handle submit, and even on enter it hits the API, and it just shows the message as we want it over here. And that's basically it. The auto resize text area is just resize on auto. So whenever we add a text over here, it'll adjust the height based on that using use effect, which is just simple thing. So whenever we adjust the height here, it auto adjusts the height. So yeah, that's it. And I added all of this in as a chat form in the homepage. So that is mostly it. I just took like 2 minutes using V0. V0 did most of the work, and I just grabbed the key from Gemini, and everything worked. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.